Wayabo wie, wabava, wabeve negu wahai, menogo viwa, oguname. This is a special message to our beloved brothers, our team, mega comrade, Eranomigo, Edegbe, Kekeve, Abat, Obaze. This is a message for both of you. Since the past few months, now these two individuals have been doing nothing than instigating violence. Since the past few months, these two individuals have been doing nothing than preaching hate. Since the past few months, these individuals have been doing nothing than drawing a dangerous line. I don't really think both of you understand the power of words. Even watala diavunu, venu wayalu even waluo, imasho, uwahen. You have a big platform which you educate your people and talk to your people. You may write in waya support and support. You may write in waya campaign and campaign. You may write in waya draw some propagandas, which we all know the whole world politics have function. You have rights for all those things. But the manner you are instigating violence is unacceptable. Why do I use that word that you are instigating violence? None of you both, Waiva, Eranomigo, Wabaze, none of you both have ever talked to your followers and teach them about love, about Akugbe, Venaya Mwedogo Dawe, Wawoni, Eminu Wawo Iwe on our deba, on our support, but you people don't know that those words you are feeding now your followers are building hate in their mind. Election day now, edowe no omwe igbi na okabu ezo mabuna. So that's why I say I'm not here to insult you. This is an advice. And this is an advice coming from we the those nere unwaya edejeni yeye. Amana obunse do wamahen. Because with the way you guys are approaching and using your platform to campaign, the type of campaign you are doing is a drum of war. It's a drum of war. You both have different youths in your side. You both are teaching them how to hate one another. Wame gunya gwan dere. Otuena hin. Ima agree, mamado bo agree o. Wagalye we evon wa yawe. Ima ehon edevunuwa. Emokpa ni yon magbera ebo. You people are building hate. So I'm not here to tell you guys why you make chance now to start teaching your followers. Kukugbe, ya supporting come near support. Ya voting the come near voting now. So that Emiya all go peacefully and calmly in Edo land. Any Edo man that died because of election, Koviedo no iwu the election or dena. Abat Obaze and Eranomigo should be held responsible for it. In the court of law, there's what we call instigation. Uga instigate man to commit a crime or murder. You are going for it also, even if you were not in the scene. But what you people are doing, Ranomigo America, Abati Redo, Amagba, Abi, I don't know where it is for Edo. Wa kuo wa. Be mokuo. Sinwokuo. Tami Viedo. Gagulo na da. Romana su wabo. Redo egi hian. Redo egi mioweze. Romana su wabo. Wa mia re. Kuwa. Kimanu wa support. Wayama se yeye. Emi no rote doni oso waya. Mame gwa. Eva vareva. Emi ya no leli maria agbon no lele ni kaore. Eya ye rote doni. So you guys cannot continue instigating violence and thinking you will just go free if you do whatever you want to do. Iya kwe yeye. Eni kawe kwe yeye. Eni kawe kwe. Ivye do gulo sene. Awe ne court ive Libya ewa mi maeno. Uga onu ivye do no gulo every month ye Libya. Uga onu ivye do no gulo every year nu deme court. Ose ni maya ye awe voma. Ya teke mi kemi ni mata. Ose ni maya agwiye wi mahenge la wo ya kukugbe. Why ti support o manu like? Why ti voting o manu like? So ponpa no la o wa mi no ma support iwe ovi jwe you know o ma mi re ku no. Election is not war. Election is not something we have to pump our chest for. Hey, man, no, no, that's not the reason for election. Even the people no more the democracy buwa de. No do man wa democracy. Inya ye we very oni. Bina. Aya vote, bina, aya campe, bo, aya campe, bo, ya vote, ana emiege, bobo watie. Oge na no migo no ro, gwa, wonu wene. So, man, imagine you understand. Ugwa adigwe a yin arederio. We me swen. Umana kyobo, for all this type of instigation. Igwe wa idigwe. Unu ewe ya unye uto. Boga bati noro. Igogonwe. You are becoming more relevant because of your political activism, which is good. Everybody have rights to play part in what they believe they can still do to contribute to the society. But what interests me is you have to teach your people how to love. You have to teach your people how to build community. Where you build a door, una draw a line. How can you build a door if you are drawing the line? How can you bring the people together if all you do is to instigate hate, hatred, build the drums of war? You might argue now that you don't do that, but your words are spell. Ikan egbeme nu walu ose no riema nwagbada lakpo owe kowa no ma supporter baseki in abiabada yo eko. The kind of words ne ranomigo lu ose ni maya la a street owe kowa no ma vote neze yamu erin agbo si yo eko. The question is, how long can we keep killing ourselves? Yage cousin he receive from Edo. Our youth, they do exercise down. They wait for election. Our youth, they beat the drum. They wait for election. Our youth, they do exercise. They jump up. They want to make sure, say, this election, anything will happen, may happen. I want to let all of you know now, say, nothing will happen. Edo ro na ke biwa. Edo avia ro hian warok ba tire do zare do yimabo. Enika wene, inyenu iwene, ebokpanya iwene, ekendo no bani, oweni mane, wakire, Wakire. This is the advice. Try to use your platform to build love. Support who you want to support. Campaign for who you want to campaign for. But let the people know you are still brothers. You are still family. You are still one. That's the only way forward, which is love. Preach love, not hate. Preach love, not hate. Preach love, not hate. Because the hate you are teaching now is something that will cost you a lot. But what I'm telling you, maniviedo, no holuwa responsible, ma bunse wani vanochia, ma bunse wani gochia, egeni asene wa aveheni guancan. I wish you a nice day.